Did you know that onions can be surprisingly picky about their garden neighbors? While these zesty bulbs valiantly repel many pests, they truly thrive when strategically surrounded by compatible companions. Let's explore the exceptionally onion companion plants that create harmoniously productive relationships in your patch. 1. Carrots. Carrots and onions form a classically perfect partnership in the garden. The pungent aroma of onions effectively deters carrot flies, while carrots help break up soil compaction around shallow onion roots. Furthermore, their contrasting root depths mean they rarely compete for nutrients, creating an undeniably efficient use of garden space. 2. Beets. These ruby-red root vegetables grow extraordinarily well alongside onions because they require similar watering schedules but different nutrients. Additionally, beets' broad leaves provide gentle shade that protects onion tops during intensely hot summer days, while onions help deter leaf miners that might otherwise attack beet foliage. 3. Strawberries. Surprisingly, strawberries and onions make wonderfully compatible neighbors. The strong scent of onions confuses and repels various strawberry pests, particularly slugs and aphids. Meanwhile, the low-growing strawberry plants serve as living mulch, effectively suppressing weeds around onion stalks. 4. Chamomile. This delightfully aromatic herb not only enhances the flavor of nearby onions, but also attracts beneficial pollinators and predatory insects. Moreover, chamomile's essential oils stimulate oil production in neighboring plants, making onions even more flavorful and disease-resistant. 5. Lettuce. Fast-growing lettuce varieties create temporary shade for developing onion seedlings during their early growth stages. Subsequently, as onions mature and lettuce is harvested, the onions receive the full sunlight they desperately need. This thoughtfully timed succession creates a brilliantly efficient use of garden space. 6. Tomatoes. While seemingly unlikely companions, tomatoes and onions form a mutually protective alliance. Onions deter numerous tomato pests through their sulfur compounds, while tomatoes' larger foliage helps shade the soil around onions, consequently retaining moisture during dry periods. 7. Marigolds. These vibrantly cheerful flowers are undeniably one of the garden's greatest allies. Their strong scent masks the smell of onions from pests, while their roots release thiopene, which actively repels nematodes in the soil. Furthermore, their bright blooms attract pollinators and beneficial insects to your garden. 8. Cabbage family. Broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and other brassicas grow harmoniously with onions. The strongly aromatic onions confuse and repel cabbage moths and loopers that typically devastate these crops. In exchange, these larger plants provide partial shade for onions during intensely hot periods. 9. Savory. This underappreciated herb not only complements onions in cooking, but also in growing. Summer savory particularly enhances onion growth while deterring bean beetles that might affect nearby crops. Additionally, its delicate flowers attract beneficial pollinators throughout the growing season. 10. Peppers. Both sweet and hot peppers form surprisingly beneficial relationships with onions. The onion's pungent aroma masks the scent of peppers from potential pests, while peppers' deeper root systems don't compete with onions' shallow roots. Consequently, this pairing maximizes garden space while minimizing pest problems. By thoughtfully incorporating these compatible companions around your onion beds, you'll create a naturally balanced ecosystem that reduces pest problems, maximizes space, and potentially improves flavor profiles. Remember that successful companion planting isn't merely about placing plants together. It's about creating harmonious relationships that benefit every member of your garden community.